In this guide, I will show you how to share internet from your Android phone with a PC via tethering. Your mobile phone can act as a modem, allowing you to share its internet connection with your computer through USB tethering. This feature enables you to utilize your mobile data or your laptop or other devices via wired connection. And here's how to do it. Firstly, enable mobile data on your Android phone, or you can do Wi-Fi too. Connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Next, swipe down from the top of your phone screen and access the notification panel. Go to the settings and select Networks and then go to USB Tethering and enable it. If you don't see the notifications, you can do the following. Navigate to Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and toggle on the USB Tethering option. If the USB Tethering toggle is grayed out and or doesn't work, ensure that the USB cable is securely plugged in at both ends. With USB Tethering enabled, your phone's internet connection is now shared with your PC through the USB cable, and this wired connection is typically provide better speed compared to wireless tethering. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.